Okay, hi, my name is Jordan, and I'm going to be walking you through Fortnite, which is one of my favorite games as of right now. Fortnite is a player versus player battle royale style game, which pretty much what that means is you are dropped onto an island with 100 players, and the goal of the game is to get out, be the last person standing. There are various game modes right now that we have. We have the standard ones, which is solo, duos, and squads. Duos means 2 players. Squads means 4 players on a team. On that one, the objective is for your team to be on top and for your team to win. 50v50 right now is a special game mode, and that is 50 players versus 50 players. So it's half the map versus half the map. Playground mode is a mode where you can drop on the map with no other players, and there are things called materials, and you can build like walls and stairs and whatnot with that. So you can just kind of have fun with various items in the game without any pressure of having to eliminate any players. Flying explosives looks like it's a custom game mode. I haven't actually played this one yet, but it looks like it is a game mode where it's just explosives, not necessarily shotguns or anything like that. And also a tip that I didn't mention before: you're dropped on an island with no weapons whatsoever, so you have to pick up everything that you find and then eliminate the players in the rest of the map. So I'm gonna jump into a game, and I'm just gonna walk you through what it would be like to be in a game. If I do cut out, it's because I either died early or I lived a little bit longer than the allotted time. So I will, if it cuts out, that is the reason why, but I'm going to try to exit out with enough time. Okay, now I am in the solo game mode right now, so I'm just by myself, and it's me and 99 other players, or technically 96 right now. So here was what the map looks like. Various places you can land. There's various climates. There's a desert over here, there's a lake, there's everything like that. So I'm gonna land right here, and again, I might die kind of soon, but we'll see what happens. So this game is kind of cool, and where you can collect skins. There's the default skin where you can have various aesthetic choices that will not necessarily improve your gameplay, but it just kind of looks cool. So right now what I'm doing is I'm cutting resources, and I'm going into this roof. I just picked up a grenade, which is a weapon. I have no weapons, no medications, no nothing right now, so I'm trying to look for some kind of weapon to defend myself, which I'm not having the best of luck right now. Alright, so I found a gun. There's also things called shields in this game, where you can drink them up and it gives you extra health. You start with 100 just standard health, and then you can add on to shields, which is an extra 100. There's also things called resources in this game. It is wood, stone, and metal. And what that does is you can build things like walls, like here, to protect yourself. You can also build stairs like this. And so it's to take cover, and I think that's a reason why it's called Fortnite, I believe, because you build little forts to defend yourself. So I hear people out in the distance, so I'm going to try to go and take a fight. Usually this game is... Oh, let's see, here's someone right here. Let me see if I can get him. And I died. But that's generally what that is. Yeah, so you can create forts and everything like that. And there's various guns in this game. There's explosives, there's short-range weapons, long-range weapons, and medium-range weapons. And that is about it. Yeah, and there's various little fun things like launch pads where you can jump on them and then kind of fly across the map. And there is let me see. Yeah, so there's various, the developers do a really, really good job in this game mode, or in this game, that they keep it really interesting, keep adding game modes, keep adding weapons that kind of keep the game moving along. And it's actually one of my favorite games. It's one of the games that actually got me into computers. I built my PC and I, for the sole purpose of gaming, but it actually got me into the interest of computers. So this game is kind of near and dear to my heart, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Thanks so much.